Hello, Chicky Chickens. Today we will learn a new letter sound. But before that, I want you to play one game. I hope you didn't forget it. So let's revise all the letter sounds till now, which we'll learn. Are you ready? Okay, let's start. Ng, y, o, j, o, u, w, a, or, s, f, i, o, t, I, g, z, b, I, L, K, E, R, D, V, Ç, X, M, K, A, N. And this is all. Bravo, Chicky Chickens, you are great. And now let's listen to the story of the new sound and listen carefully.
Mrs. Shaw has just had a baby. The baby is called Shannon. Sam is her elder brother. He thinks she is all right, but she cries a lot. While his mother tries to get Shannon to sleep, Sam goes and plays with his toys. He plays in his shop with his cash register. It makes a very loud ting when the cash drawer opens. Shh, whispers Mrs. Shaw, putting her finger to her lips. Shannon is nearly asleep. Let's go downstairs for a while. Okay, says Sam, adding shh as they tiptoe quietly from the room.
So the new letter sound is shh. And on the picture you can see some things with the new letter sound, like sheep. That's correct. Also sheep. And this is Sam's what? Sam's shop. Great. And this is how we call this machine? Cash. Bravo, Chicky Chickens. Also, we have shoes. And this place where we keep the books? Shelf. And the name of the baby was Shannon. Great, Chicky Chickens. And now, let's listen to the song.
Hush, 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 don't make a sound. Be as quiet as you can be. The baby's asleep and I'm tired out. Shh, 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 shh.
So good. And now it's time to learn how to write the new letter sound. You know very well these two letters. This is S and this H. So we start from S. Go up and finish. And one more time. We start from S. Going up for H and finish. Great. This is all for today. Bye bye.